This is the second part of section 10.4, and we're just doing that bottom portion. What you do here is that you still know that the three angles added together equal to 180. So we need this angle measure right here. Remember that this right here is a semicircle, which equals 180. To get this angle, we take that 180 and divide by 2, which gives you 90. That means that x plus 90 plus 4x is equal to 180. 5x plus 90 is equal to 180. Combine like terms. Then subtract 90 from both sides. 5x is equal to 90. Then divide by 5. X is equal to 18. To find the value of y now, is that we're looking at this arc right here. That means it's created by this inscribed angle D. So we need to find the measure of that angle D, which is 4 times 18, because that's the value of x, which gives you 72. Now that we know that this is 72, we have to multiply by 2 to get the arc measure, which gives you 144. That means that y is equal to 144. And this one, what you're trying to do is all the opposite sides are equal to 180. And why is that? Well, if you'll notice, this arc right here plus the arc that's created from the other direction is equal to 360, because they'll create the whole circle. Divided by 2 is going to give you the value of the inscribed arcs. So that means that 6y plus 3y is equal to 180. 9y is equal to 180. Divided by 9, y is equal to 20. So since we know that the opposite angles equal 180, then we also know that 5x plus x plus 2 is equal to 180. Combine like terms, 6x plus 2 is equal to 180. Subtract 2 from both sides. 6x is equal to 178. Divide by 6. X is equal to 29.6 repeating. All right. So for the last one over here, we're trying to find the value of x and y. So we're first going to find this arc measure right here. What we do is take 360 and subtract the arc measures, all the way over here, that we already know, which is 50 minus 50 minus 90, and that gives you 360 minus 50 minus 50 minus 90, 170. Okay, now that you got this 170, we know that the x is created by 170 plus 50, because that's going to give you the arc that creates that angle x. And you're going to have to take that arc and divide by 2 to give you the value of the inscribed angle. So 170 plus 50, and then divide by 2, x equals 110. For the y value, we're kind of doing the same thing. The y value is the opposite side. So we know that that's 90 plus 50 plus 50, which equals 190. And then divide by 2, because the inscribed angle will be half, making it 95. So y is 95.